right now, the Mid-South certified most accurate forecast.
Well, it certainly was a return to the heat today, and we're going to keep that heat around the next several days. Though tomorrow, we are going to have a brief step back into the upper 80s with rain coming in. Right now, we're in the mid 80s in Memphis, 84 degrees presently. Forest City, though, already down in the 70s, 79 degrees. Also in the 70s, we've got Oxford, Corinth, Bolivar right now, all there in the mid to upper 70s. We are several degrees warmer still this evening than we were yesterday at this time. So just a sign that we are keeping that heat around here in the evening. Now, we are looking at a chance for thunderstorms to be coming in by early tomorrow morning with some very heavy rain at that. That could introduce a flash flood threat in there as well. We'll have to keep that in mind. And then, of course, those higher temperatures are still going to be coming in later on this week. Taking you out to satellite and radar now, you can see sort of a complex of weak showers in southern Missouri right now, and this whole complex of clouds. This is the disturbance that's setting us up for tomorrow's thunderstorms that we're expecting. Let's time that out. As we get around midnight, maybe some more of those showers are drifting over our more northern communities. These aren't the thunderstorms yet. It really starts to pop off by around 4 a.m. across northern Arkansas, moving into the Memphis area by our morning commute, really. Around 7 a.m., we've got scattered showers and thunderstorms in the region. And then by around 11, midday here, we're looking at some more of that heavy rain making its way into North Mississippi down the I-22 corridor. By 2 o'clock, we really start to clear things out as far as the rain goes. The clouds won't clear out until later on in the evening time frame, so it's going to take us a little while to really clear out of this. Now, this is the latest model run, and it's really dialed back some of the numbers, but take a look just in this green range. That's the 2 to 3 inch range painted on the map into parts of Arkansas, around the Bolivar to Corinth area. There's a strip there. Now, this is just one model run, so we can't take it for absolute truth, but it's showing the nature of some of these training thunderstorms leading to very heavy rain. So wherever we get some of that heavy rain starting up, that could lead to a potential flooding threat. We've got a level 1 threat for most of our viewing area, though up into parts of Mississippi County, we might actually see a little bit of that greater threat, that level 2 threat for flash flooding. Rain chances are best on our Wednesday, and then they really start to fall off. Though Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we might have some of those pop-up summer-like thunder showers through the area. Tonight, temperatures dropping back only into the mid-70s. Of course, that cloud cover acts sort of like a blanket, keeping some of the heat over from overnight into the morning. A little bit farther to our south towards Clarksdale, we could get up into the 90s, Tunica, Forest City, just where that rain doesn't quite sweep through. We'll stay a little bit cooler under the rain, but it will be hotter where it misses. We'll get back into the mid-90s as we get towards our Thursday and Friday time frame there. And of course, the dew points are also going to be higher, not only from the southerly flow, but also just the leftover moisture from the rain. So we'll likely see some heat advisories popping in there in that Thursday, Friday time frame.
I love how you always have the heat indexes, so or indices, like you told me. I know that those kind of reach over 100, but can you predict if we're going to hit 100 ever, actually, in the temperatures?
It really doesn't look like it. Right now, we're just in such a humid zone. We've had plenty of rain. The water in the soil acts sort of as a buffer to keep us from getting to that 100-degree mark.
Okay, well, hopefully it stays that way. Thank you, Kit.